Saskatchewan has the highest rate of child poverty of all provinces in the country, according to a recent report from the Canadian Centre for Policy Alternatives. That report says that over 78,000 children under the age of 18 in the province were in poverty in 2023, a rate of 27.1%, well above Canada's national rate of 18.3%.
The depth of poverty is also of concern. That's the gap between, the sort of poverty line and how much a low-income family is actually earning. So we're seeing deepening and growing child poverty in the province.
According to the data, almost one-third of children under the age of 6 are in poverty, at 30.39%. The NDP opposition is criticizing the provincial government for what they view as inaction on the issue.
The Moe government needs to give hardworking families much needed cost of living relief and remove the PST on children's clothes as well as groceries. They need to deliver rent control and reverse course on the power bill and insurance rate hikes.
Chris Moya is a parent who shared a close family member's struggle to financially support themselves and their family.
They found it difficult to get a job because the cost of childcare. They couldn't find childcare, they couldn't afford childcare, so they couldn't get a job.
The Saskatchewan Party government provided a written statement pointing to a number of 2025-26 budget initiatives to support low-income residents. Those include the Saskatchewan Low-Income Tax Credit increasing by 5% annually for the next 4 years, plus indexation, introduction of the Saskatchewan Employment Incentive, and increased benefits to SIS and SED clients by 2%. The government says they have provided over $250 million in tax savings this year, in addition to more than $2 billion in affordability measures in every budget.
I'm glad those programs are there. The poverty would be much worse if it wasn't, but they can be expanded and improved, and hopefully we can improve our standings relative to the rest of the country.
For Rogers TV, I'm Eric Steiner.